7 NFT games free to play to make money with NFTs. Hi guys, today I am counting down top 7 NFT games that are free to play in 2021. So let's get started. At number 7, we have Project Seed. Project Seed is an amazing blockchain gaming ecosystem that accelerates mass adoption. It is a mobile game that implements blockchain technology. So, what happens in Project Seed is that there are different characters. You pick your favorite character and class to start the adventure. And then there are these different mysterious creatures called Zeds. These are your partner in the battle, and then there are weapons, of course, to defeat your enemies. And all of these characters, Zeds, and weapons are actually minted as tradable NFTs. So you earn money with them. So you just simply play the game and earn money. It's a super awesome game with an amazing storyline and graphics, and it allows you to have go on these cool adventures. So if I talk about the NFT, you can see right here the NFT is yet to come. You can see they're saying coming soon right here. The information about the NFT and how does it work, it will come really soon, but for now it's not available on the website. So in the game you actually get these shield tokens, and these tokens can be converted into real money. So yeah, if you're looking for a free game to play and earn NFTs and earn money through NFTs, then yeah, definitely Project Seed is a game for you. At number 6, we have Crop Bites. Now, Crop Bites is one of the most famous free NFT games out there, and it's super easy to play. What happens is that you create your own farm, and there are different accessories, there are different characters and different assets that you earn. Right here you can see that get assets and start farming, grow crops and fruits to make food, and then you feed animals and get extracts, then collect utilities to sell, and then convert extracts to game coins, and then you can actually trade assets and collectibles and then generate crypto in return. So it's super easy. You just play this fun game and you earn different things. You find these collectibles, you earn these assets, and these assets can be converted into real money or your crypto. So the graphics are awesome, and it is super adventurous and strategic and fun game to play, and it helps you earn money. You can see right here. And the good thing about Crop Bites is that it directly involves cryptocurrency, that you can actually directly convert your assets or your collectibles into crypto money. So that's actually amazing. It's an amazing blockchain powered game. So yeah, do check out Crop Bites because it's awesome, and I think you will love it because it's super easy and super fun and helps you earn money through NFTs. At number 5, we have Crypto Fights. Crypto Fights, as you can tell by the name, it's a crypto based game which is a fighting game. So if you love fighting, adventurous, mysterious game, then Crypto Fights is a game for you. What happens in Crypto Fight is that you can actually customize and evolve your own fighters. You choose your special skills. There are different cards that determine your strength and your intelligence, and you explore the worlds, you unlock new arenas, you compete with other players. There are different comebacks, there are different fights, you play them and you earn money through them, and you can actually win real money in your cash tournaments. Like, there are literally cash tournaments out there in this game. Like, turn your $1 entry fee into a $6,000 reward. Like, come on guys, it's awesome. And you can see that the graphics of this game are amazing, and the developers have actually done a really good job, and the NFT works really well. You can convert your rewards, you can actually earn money, you can the different items, all of the items in this game, for example the weapons, the characters, the cards, they are actually NFT. So you can trade them with other players as well. You can sell them or buy as well. So yeah, earning money and playing an awesome fighting game, then I think Crypto Fights is amazing option. At number 4, we have Grasshopper Farm. Now, it is actually developed by Engine Group, which is an amazing gaming development company and platform. So they do an amazing job. So when you know it's an engine game, you know it's good. So what happens in Grasshopper Farm, it's actually a little different from other games that I showed you. The graphics of these games, you will play the game and you'll be like, what is this? Because the grasshoppers are actually just images of grasshoppers, but the game itself is amazing and so unique that you love the game. You can see the accessories a grasshopper has actually determines their character and roles. And what happens is that you can actually, your farm collectible grasshoppers to battle, trade, produce, and raid. So all of these grasshoppers, they trade for you, they battle for you. You can send them on different adventures, or to raid a land or whatever. And these are actually all of the accessories, all of the grasshoppers, and every item is NFT. So you can actually convert. There are different rewards, there is also trade option where you trade different collectibles with other players as well, and you develop your farm. And you can connect with other players to do collective tasks. So it's an amazing fun game to play if you want to earn money through NFTs. Standing at number 3, we have Ethermoon. Ethermoon is an online simulation game environment. It is based on Ethereum network, and the best thing about this game is that the transaction is very advanced and very well developed. So if in this game there are different areas, there are different places that you discover, and you develop your Ethermoons, and the more your Ethermoons will develop, the more money you will get, and the more higher your level will increase. So if I take you right here, you will be able to see the most cool thing about Ethermoon, which I love. So there are these moon species, and they are actually the NFTs. You can see right here, these are all the characters, these are all the creatures that are NFT, and they are, they can be sell and trade, and you can actually earn money with them. So these are actually the ones that are very new and not available yet. So if I go to right here, you will be able to see. So you can see right here, these are the different characters that are in Ethermoon. Now these are in hundreds, and you actually, they are available on different levels. The game has a lot of levels, so you work for them and then you earn them. And the rewards, you actually get different rewards in the game that are also NFT, and you can convert them into real money. So this is the best thing about Ethermoon. Like, I love these creatures, these characters, these mons, and you work for them because they are awesome. And if I go to world right here, you will be able to see that there is also another option of these maps that are available in Ethermoon as well. So yeah, I mean, the game, if you're looking for adventurous game with a lot of cool features and a lot of cool NFTs, and you want to earn money, then I think Ethermoon is an amazing game for you. It has a lot of, you can see it's very famous, and you can, earn by quests also. If I had, you will able to see you can actually earn money through, doing different adventures and doing different fights. So yeah, Ethermoon is an amazing game. Do check it out if you're looking for an amazing, Pokemon vibe game, then this is for you. At number 2, we have Medieval City States. So it's an amazing game. You can see by the name that it's a fun, adventurous, and empire building game in which you build different buildings and you conquer them and you work for their safety and protection. So what happens here is it's actually a mobile, tablet, and desktop game, and all the assets, all the items in this game are NFT, and it has a unique play to earn concept. Because what happens in this game is, you can see right here, the profits can then be turned into, so the profits they are talking about is that you build your city and you build your buildings and you decorate them or whatever you save different resources and everything, and then you earn profit through them, and the profits can be turned into actual currency and requested to be paid out. The payments will be initially be possible via crypto, BTC, ETH. So you can see right here that you gain profits, and the profits can directly be converted into crypto as well. Super easy concept and very unique as well. So good thing about this game is that its 3D graphics are actually give you this live experience, and you love playing the game, and you can actually trade with other players as well. You develop your building, you develop your fort, and then you play the game, and it's actually amazing. So the Medieval City States is an amazing NFT game to play when you are bored and simply earn money with it. So yeah, don't be late to play it. Then at number 1 we have My Crypto Heroes, and as you can tell by the name, My Crypto Heroes is based on blockchain, and it is actually based on Ethereum blockchain, and you can play this fun game to earn money. So this is a RPG battle game that is built on Ethereum blockchain, and you actually play with inspired heroes that go on quest to find rare items and battle against other players for rewards and fame. So these rewards are actually NFT and can be converted into real money. You can see right here that there is PvE mode in which you get this ERC721 token, and you actually play for tokens and you earn these tokens in within the game. And then there is PvP mode in which you will be able to earn ERC721 token and earn fame. So this will actually help you to develop within the game and find different assets. You see, acquire and grow different, and there are different heroes and items, and these heroes and items are NFT that help you, earn money directly. And you send heroes to conquest, you get original extension, you sell on OpenSea and earn money. So simple. So that's why it's on the top, and it's top rated, because you can see the concept is very easy. So you like send heroes, you get extension, you sell on OpenSea, and you get money. Simple as that. So that's why it's one of the most famous games out there, because it's so super easy, super fun, and you can actually earn money through it very easily. You can see they have a lot of ecosystem partners right here, and media partners. They are partnered with Engine as well. So it's amazing, the partnership, the ecosystem partners, it's giving the game fame. And you should also play My Crypto Heroes, because it's an awesome game and it will allow you to earn money very easily. So yeah guys, I think this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to earn money by playing games and enjoying your free time. So yeah, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.